You've made investments in manufacturing processes, and they work. But if you're still using touch points, you know errors can sneak up on you. And when they do, and you know they will, it can be expensive. It's a given that mistakes happen, but they don't have to. Wouldn't fully automating your production line be more efficient? Sound complicated? In reality, it's actually easy. Domino's QuickDesign software provides connectivity to a wide range of applications. And combined with QuickDesign Unite, it can easily be incorporated into your database, ERP, SCADA, or internal processes to provide workflow integration and automation, meaning less operator errors, helping decrease downtime, and lower costs while still maintaining your current processes. Interconnectivity with your coders is easy, no matter what ERP system you're using, allowing equipment to get the right information to the right product automatically without costly human errors. And because we offer full integration with enterprise networks, QuickDesign Unite unlocks the analytics you need, increasing productivity and providing important data to streamline the production process without having automation silos. Think about the investments you've made to improve your internal systems. Now imagine the impact of total automation and integration. The choice is simple.